Okay, a little bit about Adobe Illustrator is that Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphic program, which means it is very much like your AutoCAD in that it draws lines and shapes and such using mathematical formula in your computer. Okay, so it can be scaled, but this is mainly, the program is mainly done for or created for graphic illustrators and such. So it's not a good program to do a one-to-one size building because we're really dealing with a size of a paper. Okay, so I mean we get a choice of different size paper and such, but the idea for this program is to have some making like a little poster kind of thing. Okay, whereas we will do Adobe Photoshop, which deals a little bit more with bitmaps. Think of bitmap as basically this bunch of pixels, right? So it's not dealing with a mathematical line formula and such. It's just dealing with the little squares on your screen. That when the little squares all line up on and off, basically that will look like a line. So when you look at your TV, I know we all have done it as a kid. We go really close to it and we see all these little different colors, whether the green, red, blue, or on or off. It's creating that image, right? So think of it like a bitmap graphic Mario kind of thing, where it's Mario's done with a bunch of squares, right? So so the Illustrator is a very powerful tool that can help us to take our large building and turn it into a little poster size presentation board and make it look very professional, that basically nowadays the firms are looking for. Okay. Oh yeah, and the other comparison between the Illustrator and Photoshop is that the Illustrator, like I said, it's a sharp drawing because it is drawing a line and such, whereas Photoshop it is relying on the pixels to do the dumb square, dumb image kind of thing. So it is very resolution dependent, which means that we're going to have to set the resolution on the screen to get the best graphics possible. Okay.